When I work with clients on goal setting, we work on showing up to the smallest level. When you're goal setting and you're setting too big of goals, chances are you're hoping that you're going to have high motivation to do these big goals. So for example, I'm going to lose 20 pounds in the next couple of weeks. Not going to happen unless you show up every day. And most people, you don't have the motivation every single moment, every single day. So what you need to do is plan for your least motivated self. And as your least motivated self, what would you be able to do? So for example, if you need to weed the garden outside, on your least motivated self, are you going to weed the whole garden? No. But your least motivated self could go out and pull one weed, correct? Yes. Would your least motivated self be able to walk 10,000 steps a day? Probably not. But would your least motivated self be able to put shoes on and walk out the door one step? Probably. So when I set goals with people, usually we start off with chunking down their goals so small, stupid small, to where there's no possible way that they would not be able to do it. And if they didn't do it, that means that the goal is still too big. So you got to chunk it down even more. So I usually start with eat, sleep, move goals. If you're not sleeping enough, 8 to 9 hours of sleep, and let's say you go to bed at 2 o'clock in the morning and you're getting up at 7, you're getting 5 hours of sleep. You're going to be your lowest motivational self probably that day. So with sleep goals, what I start with is maybe not getting 8 to 9 hours of sleep because that's going to be too big of a goal. A lot of people won't do that. But can you go to bed 5 minutes before you want to go to bed? Yeah, you could probably do that. Can you get up maybe 5 minutes earlier one day? Sure, you could do that. But can you get up an hour before? No, that's too much. And then let's say movement goals. Instead of setting yourself up for 10,000 steps a day or even 30 minutes of a workout a day, that's a lot. What you need to do is just show up. I've heard of a guy on TikTok talk about the 2-minute rule, where he told his client to go to the gym and just work out for 2 minutes for 6 months. Some might say that's silly. You're not going to get in shape doing that. But the thing is you set your brain up to show up, and it gets in the habit of showing up. And that's the crucial step there, is you want to show up. So when you set your goals, you want to make it down to the smallest level. And you also want to show up. Even at your worst motivated self, you have to show up. That's what will make you successful. That's the tip for the day.